Alright, here to capture pretty big swarm here. Looks to be about 15,000. We're in Sturbridge. It's not far from the colony. Trying to locate the queen and all, but I'm sure she's probably in the middle. You can see the hive right there. So let's get them. Let's get them into the nuke. What I'll do now is I'll look for the queen. I'll put her in a clip. They're going to gather up his top as well. We'll go through here and put some more frames in here and look for the queen. Alright, so what I do is I keep using the top of the nuke box. I use that right there, and you're going to have four just come back. You're going to have them rise up, come back, and keep clustering here. They smell the pheromone of the queen up top, and this upper branch is bent down to that lower branch. So we'll watch them. They're starting to come down, settle down, starting to fan. That's definitely a good colony here. So we'll keep watching and see. They got these in June, so it should be a green queen, but she said red, which would be last year's queen. So got 4 frames in here right now to give them some room. And I'll try to find a queen here, put her in a clip so they won't go anywhere. So first frame, we got the queen. I know you really can't see her in there, but she's unmarked. She's a super dark queen. She's right there in the corner. So the mystery continues of what's going on here, but that's probably no doubt virgin. But she's not super small and she's not too big. We'll keep looking. Alright, so we got her in a separate cage here to work through and figure out if we still got the original in there. Let's look into it. Did a quick look. I put the last frame in there and let them disperse. There's just so many bees on the frames that they're just, you know, doubled up, tripled up, quadrupled up. So let them disperse, get them on all frames. I did find that one virgin queen, looks like here, so I'll have to look into their colony and see what's going on. So I think they're gonna keep these, so I also do swarm assists like this and so forth. Obviously price changes whatever I'm doing if I'm going to your colony and looking at it and the time being here, but you can catch and get your swarm back. So in this case it was about 6 feet, actually a little bit more, 10 feet from where the hive was. So we'll look into and see what's going on with comb bee removal. 508-341-4389. All right, I'll get this swarm, which I believe swarm 8 is somewhere around there. I don't know, it could be more different. It's August 13th. They're sneaking out of the box, as you can see. I got the queen up here, which is a virgin queen. They're super anxious to come out, as you'll see. And look at the amount of bees just on a lid. So I'm going to get them in. Try to get them in this box super quick with the queen. Bees are already covering the queen. What I want to do is they're covering the queen pretty quickly here. They want to pop the queen out, get her in the middle. Kind of get them calmed down here a little bit and settled in to the queen. I think the easiest way is just to pop the staple off on the top. Okay, you just watched her, I'm watching her. She just went down between the frames. Get these bees all rally up, you see them all. Get them all to rally to her. They're following her where she went. So, another swarm saved with comb bee removal.